Good day. So the bombing runs in Israel has intensified. Israel to Hamas, Iran, Israel to Hezbollah, Iran war is has the bombing runs, the air, sea, and land warfare has intensified. While on the sidelines, the call for peace or political diplomatic solutions continue. When Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu of Israel spoke to them in the United Nations General Assembly, he was um, he was talking about the light in Israel that will not be extinguished. And then came the response from an equally small but progressive nation from the Caribbeans when the Madam Prime Minister Mia Amor Matley of Barbados was telling Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu that he is just quoting from the Bible on uh, verses that only favors Israel. And then her statement was, I believe, trying to weaken the resolve of the Israeli people. When he just quoted one line from the New Testament, because the Prime Minister of Israel was quoting from the book of Samuel, and was telling them about the days of King Solomon of Israel, the son of King David. And so here comes the small island nation from Caribbean, the Pacific, Barbados. It is Barbados is, as we know it, is once a colony of Great Britain, and like the Philippines, the colonization of the Philippines by the Spaniards here was also long, maybe longer than that, or maybe equally long with that of Barbados. And Barbados, comparatively, is very small island nation. It is just about the size of our Samal Island here, the island that is now being transformed in near Davao City, where I live. That's the island where it is now being developed as one of the new wonders of tourism, just like our world famous Boracay. Hopefully, we can enjoy God's creation still when, but today, as we can observe and see live in our eyes, the escalation of the fighting in the Middle East is happening now, and a more serious fight between nations there is probably going to happen any minute, any days from now. And the bigger nations like France and the US is, but I think the president of France, French President Emmanuel Macron, can still backtrack from his stand of his announcement to send you so-called humanitarian aid to Hamas and to Hezbollah or Lebanon or Palestine, worth $10 million. But we are not sure how accurate it can be delivered, or how precise can that big money or big humanitarian aid can really be a humanitarian aid, because that area has a history of so many so-called humanitarian aid sent to Palestine, which was used to build tunnels. It is transforming all of Palestine or all of the Gaza Strip into a tunnel state. So hopefully, but what is more serious in the pronouncement of French President Emmanuel Macron was his call for an embargo against Israel, or a stop to the selling or sending or rearming Israel. He's calling all nations to conduct or to make or to punish Israel with an embargo. I think that's very serious. But the answer to that was this. That, I believe, was the answer for that embargo when the U.S. military, the American people is sending General Michael Corilla of the Central Command, the CENTCOM. It's now totally activated with the landing of the American Eagle in Israel. That is General Michael Corilla to head the Central Command in the area. So that that alone looks something very serious. They are just actually making Israel bolder than today and becoming bolder the next day by those statements, by those involvement. And we know that France is one of one of the most powerful European country that is a member of the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, with Germany, Italy, Great Britain, and of course the United States of America as figurehead. What we can do, except to say that the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob is our Jehovah Jireh, our Jehovah Nissi, and our Jehovah Shalom. Shalom.